In this video, we will talk about how to change DNS settings on Windows 11. Click on Windows icon, open Settings. You will see a menu on the left. Click on Network and Internet. Depending on how you're connected, click Wi-Fi if you're on wireless or Ethernet if you're plugged in. Scroll down until you see DNS server assignment. Click on Edit button. Change the drop-down from automatic to manual. Turn on the switch for IPv4. In the preferred DNS, you can add Google or CloudFlare DNS. I've listed both in the description. For now, I am using Google DNS. Simply click in Preferred DNS box to add primary DNS. Then click on Alternate DNS box to type secondary DNS address. After adding both DNS, click on Save. So that's how you can change DNS settings on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.